Hello, I brought you down here to Walton Bridge. It's full of birds and we're just going to have a little bit of fun. So we're going to connect with nature. So basically, if you've had a bad day at work or you're feeling a bit stressed out, go outside, get some fresh air and just connect with our amazing nature outside. So let's have some fun at Walton Bridge, and I hope you enjoy this. It's a great place and it's full of birds. Let's go and have some fun with the birds. They're lovely. This just makes a nice little while out, just to take away some of the pressures of life and connect with nature. And today it's about the birds. Look at that willow tree. That's gorgeous in this light. Do you remember how I said about the jackdaws in my last video at Richmond Park? That squeak is a parakeet, a brightly coloured green bird. No, a parrot, which is quite unique to this area, but we'll catch them another day. There's an Egyptian geese. Little noisy birds, very pretty. They quite often like to sit on top of tree stumps, especially in the morning. The light is beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Just a little video about connecting with nature here at Walton On Thames. Certainly plenty of action from the birds. I'm going to catch you again soon. It's nearly 4:30 now, so time to start thinking about going home. But it was a nice afternoon. Thanks a lot for being with me, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button, press that bell, and I'll catch you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.